Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel my booking reservation on booking.com. So to cancel a booking reservation on booking.com web app, follow these detailed steps to cancel. The first thing you need to do is to launch your browser, any web browser of your choice, and go to booking.com. Once you get into the website, if you're prompted to log in, just follow the necessary prompts, enter your account's credentials, and log in. Now, once logged in, the next thing you like to do from this home screen is to locate your profile name, which is at the top right corner of the screen. So in the top right corner, you have your profile name in there. Now go ahead and click on that and you'll see a couple of options in the drop down menu, including manage accounts, bookings and trips, Genius loyalty program, rewards and wallets, review saved, and sign out. Now go ahead and click on bookings and trips. So once you click on that, you'll be redirected to a page displaying all your current and past reservation. I do not have trips live here, so nothing can be found in here. But if you do, you're going to find everything organized in this page. All you have to do next is to browse through the list of your reservations or use the set/filter options to find the booking you want to cancel. Once you locate the booking, go ahead and click on the booking to view its details. After doing that, it's going to take you to the reservation page, which is the booking details page. So on the reservation details page, review the cancellation policy. You need to review the cancellation policy so that you can understand any fees or penalties that might apply. Now, if the booking is eligible for free cancellation, you can proceed without incurring charges. The next step is to initiate the cancellation. Now, once you're on the reservation details page, look for the cancel booking button or link on the reservation details page. Now, click on the cancel booking to start the cancellation process. Once you start the cancellation process, a pop-up or confirmation page will appear summarizing the cancellation terms. All you need to do next is to review the details carefully and click confirm cancellation to finalize the process. Once the cancellation is processed, you receive a confirmation email at your registered email address. You can also verify the cancellation by checking your reservation status under bookings and trips. Now, always check the cancellation policy before proceeding to avoid any unexpected fees. For non-refundable bookings, you may need to contact the property or booking.com customer service via contact customer service option for further assistance. Now, this process ensures your reservation is cancelled properly on the booking.com web app. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.